देख रही 100,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स. कितना इंतजार किया इस दिन का. And this is because of you. We have finally reached to 100,000 subscribers, guys. And a big love and thank you from my side to you. And I am going to need a lot more support from you. And let's make Something's Cooking with Alpa reach 200,000 subscribers. And some of our lovely subscribers have sent me some videos, and I do want to share a few of them with you. They represent what Something's Cooking with Alpa means to them, and guys, that is what keeps me going. So do have a look. Thank you so much for sending these videos, guys.
Alpa, congratulations on the channel. I've seen all the videos. What I really like about your channel is all the small tips and valuable techniques that you share with us while cooking. For me, I think that makes cooking fun and wonderful. So thank you for sharing these wonderful recipes with us.
Hi, being a full-time working mom in the US is really hard, especially with 2 growing boys who have a huge appetite, and I really rely on Something's Cooking with Alpa for helping me out in these crunch times. You know, as soon as I come from work, I just look up some easy recipes on her channel, and I'm able to whip up something delicious really quickly for my boys. They love it too, and I love it too. Thank you, Alpa, for all your help.
This is Sonia from LA. I'm watching your videos all the time. It's such an easy recipe, simple recipe, and I like the way you are explaining. And always I can see on your face smile, so I like to watch the all the time. And wish you very good luck for your future video.
Hi Alpa, I love all the recipes that you have been uploading, right from the first one, I think, which was your chocolate cheesecake, which reminds me that I must tell you that your chocolate cheesecake is a massive hit when I make it in almost all my parties, because it's an absolute demand by all my friends that I make it. So a big thank you, because that sorts out my dessert straight away. Having said that, I have tried most of your other recipes, and I must say that you are doing absolutely great.
And these videos just so inspirational. You guys just made my day. Thank you so very much. Please do support me, as I am going to need a lot more support if we want to reach 200,000 subscribers. And do subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.